This is you. After thinking for months, you finally get it done. Yes, braces. You love how it can make your teeth tidier, but now you're stuck with one question.
Braces? A bit hard to brush teeth, huh? It's like I'm playing hide and seek with the foot stuck inside, except that I always lose. Hey, so sad, so worried until I cannot sleep. How do I clean it, ah? How do I clean it? So sad, until I cannot sleep. How do I clean it, ah?
We're gonna teach you that today. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Kayla, the dentist you can ask anything. Welcome back to Brace Yourself, where I talk about braces and all things related. We've talked about the types of braces, how it affects your face, who can get it, and now let's talk about how to take care of it. Before we start, remove any wax, elastic, or removable parts of your orthodontic appliances. Rinse with water to help loosen any food lodged. Now, let's start with toothbrushing. Choose a small-headed toothbrush so it can reach into the back of your mouth and clean your molars properly. We know, braces created all those nooks and crannies in your mouth, and that can make cleaning difficult. Choose one with fine bristles as well so it can reach into those hard-to-reach areas and clean better. Using a toothpaste that contains fluoride can help prevent dental cavities. How to know if your toothpaste has fluoride in it? Just flip over your toothpaste and check if it contains sodium monofluorophosphate, sodium fluoride, or stannous fluoride. These are all types of fluoride. Now, let's start with the first round of simple cleaning by brushing your teeth in circular motion from one side to another. This should get rid of the large food particles stuck on your brackets and arch wire. Then, let's divide your braces into 3 parts: the top, the bottom, and the front surfaces. Let's start with the top. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle against the top part of your braces. Move your toothbrush back and forth to ensure that you brush all teeth surfaces, arch wire, and brackets properly. Do this for at least 20 seconds for all surfaces. Second, repeat the same motion but from the bottom part of your braces. You may do this from one side to another instead of starting from the middle to make sure you don't miss out any tooth surfaces. Do this for at least 20 seconds as well. Lastly, brush the front surfaces of your braces with a circular motion to make sure you've got all surfaces covered. Don't forget to brush the biting surface as well as the inner surface of all teeth. Most people tend to forget the surface facing your tongue, and this is where most dental stones are found. Now, let's go to the most important part, the gum line. The gum line is the part where teeth meets the gum. Angulate your toothbrush 45 degrees towards the gum line. Brush gently against the gum line, followed by swiping it towards the biting surface to make sure there's no remaining plaque that can lead to gingivitis or gum diseases.
But sometimes, I still have something stuck in between my teeth. When I want to floss it, this happens.
Nope.
Cannot go in!
DC Universe has Superman, and in our universe we have Super Floss! In order to floss in between your brackets, you can use this Super Floss, which has a hard needle-like end. You may insert this end in between your brackets like this. Use the middle part, which is soft, and gently floss in between your teeth. Make sure your floss properly adapts to the tooth surface and gently move the floss up and down. You may floss after you've brushed your teeth. In the proximal brush is also helpful in removing any plaque or debris that is stuck in between the brackets. Just place the brush like this, gently move it up and down to ensure you've cleaned all surfaces properly. If all of the things I've mentioned seems to be too troublesome for you, you can always consider getting a water flosser. It is a handheld device that shoots a stream of liquid at your teeth hard enough to clean between them. You can use it to clean around your bracket as well as hard-to-reach areas like the back of your mouth. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new from me and my sister. Remember to subscribe and like to show love. We'll see you next time. Bye!